In this tutorial, we will learn how to configure the menu assignment. This feature allows you to select the layout style for each page of each menu item. The JSN Epic template will be used as an example in this video. Now, let's take a quick look at the menu assignment configuration. Go to the Templates Manager under Extensions and choose JSN Epic 2 Default. Click on Assignment tab. Here you can see all the menus of JSN Epic template. They only display when the sample data is installed. You can go to Menu Manager page to check all the menus which are showing on the assignment page. The JSN Epic 2 default style was assigned by default for all pages. However, on the assignment page, you can select any menu items pages to a layout. After selecting, don't forget to save assignment. Let's try to assign the menu items to a layout. The best way, you should choose a style to duplicate. For example, JSN Epic 2 Green. Select and click on the Duplicate button on the toolbar. Once duplicated, no page is assigned for JSN Epic 2 Green 2. Now, click on this style to custom and assign for a menu item. Change the style name, and if you want, adjust the layout of this style. In this example, we will change the style before assigning it. Select your own custom style. Edit some more parameters. Then save style and go to the assignment page. Here we will select the Features menu item of Main Menu to assign the custom style for this page. Save all the changes and go back to the Templates Manager page to check the number of pages that are assigned. Now the style's name has changed, and the number of pages that was assigned has changed. You can see the number of pages that was assigned to each style. Next, go to the front end and reload to check all the changes. The Features page has been applied to JSN Epic 2 Custom for Feature Page style. All the other pages still show JSN Epic 2 default style. Thank you for watching. Please check our other videos to learn more about how to work with the JSN Sun Framework.